everyone, this is Nidhi and today talk is about indoor air quality standards and why it is necessary to maintain those. See, indoor air quality standards are the guidelines which has been shared by the bodies like OSHA's, ASHRAE and ISHRAE to maintain a clean air in the building. And why it is important? I would define as a two different aspects of this. The one is the occupant well-being. The second thing is a building efficiency. If the air quality is not maintained well, it will give rise to the airborne transmission. The increased airborne transmission cases you'll notice might be flu, it might be cough, and it can also be COVID transmission. Second thing is building efficiency. If you do the proper optimization of the clean air, an HVAC system spend can be optimized. Are you aware that 39% is accountable by the HVAC system to your electricity consumption? If the HVAC system is not cleaned properly, regularly, definitely you're going to have a more power consumption and in return the more power bills. Why want to hit your bottom line? And that is how you can save it. Third aspect will be, I'll say, have you noticed generally when we spend 2-3 hours sitting in a meeting room, after some time the people started yawning and twisting, turning, dozing off. Why? Because indoor air quality is not maintained. As more people are spending some time in the confined space, ventilation is not maintained properly, the indoor air quality has reduced. That is why it happened. And clean air is the vital improving the cognitive functions up to 100%. So what benefit would you get from that? One is you can reduce the electricity consumption. The second one is reducing sick days and saving through thousands of minutes of the productivity. So all this is a benefit that you're getting if you maintain the indoor air quality. The main aspect is you need to take an action. Tracking and maintaining of indoor air quality is the finest step, is the first step to maintain a clean and healthy air, and which we are missing currently. It has become an occasional aspect. See, what we can monitor, what can be monitored, it can be managed. If you are not monitoring on the real-time basis, it cannot be managed on the real-time basis. What is happening currently in the industry, you are taking indoor air quality as one of the aspects to attain the sustainability goals. It's not the case. It is equally crucial, important as like your working or functioning of your server system. If servers goes off, your business will get impacted. In a similar way, if you are not providing, you are not having the clean and healthier air, it is going to impact your business directly or indirectly. So why you want to do that? And we feel there is a void that we are not taking a proper impact and proper working on the proper impact, not taking the proper action and proper solutioning. So to fill that void, Just Breathe Station helps you to attain the indoor air quality standards, help you to attain the clean and healthier air in your building. We'll provide you the real-time analysis data, which will help you to have a data-driven approach on a real-time basis. The biophilia is one of the important aspects of the air purifier at the Just Breathe Station, which helps you to maintain the natural environment within the workplace. Right? So these are the benefits what we can add you. This is the value creation what we can do for you. Reach out to us to know more about the Just Breathe Station and the value we can bring to you. You can reach out to me at mychoicejustbreathe.in. You can message me here also.